Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the cooling station for your DJI Agras batteries. If you're using a DJI generator, hooking up the power plug to the cooling station is very straightforward. You would just take your charging end, open this latch, sink it down, and make sure that the connector connects into the cooling station on the right-hand side. Lock this down, and now your DJI T30, T40, or T50 batteries are ready to charge. Seat that down in there, and now the cooling station is going to power on, and it's going to charge the battery, meanwhile cooling it as well. You can also add a second battery in here that won't be being charged, but it will in fact be cooling down so that when it's time to switch slots and charge that battery, it's going to make this process faster. Now, if you're using your own generator, I'll show you how to hook that up now. We've got the battery in the cooling station with the DJI extension cord here. We've got our DJI Agras charging hub here, but we need to power the cooling station. So here at Drone Nerds, we have this proprietary plug setup, which is going to power the cooling station just like this. You plug that in, and then you're going to get power to charge the battery as well as cool down the battery with the cooling station. If you don't have one of these extension cables, you can still use the cooling system. So you're going to take our proprietary plug, connect it right to the cooling station here. Now, we're just going to take the battery from this is a T50, but this will also work for a T30, a T40, and like I said, the T50 we're using today. So we've got it in the back slot, and we're going to take the normal charging hub. We'll use the front slot. Take the charging hub unit, put it in, and connect your battery like that. So now the battery is in the rear position, which is still going to allow a lot of good cool air from the cooling system to cool this battery down. If you have any questions about the cooling station for the DJI Agras series or how to set this up, go ahead and put that in the comments. I'm also going to link in the description a link to this extension cable here, as well as our power unit for the cooling station. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you can see all of our latest Drone Nerds content. My name is Matt. Happy flying.